Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something new that is going to happen with Microsoft Edge that might appeal to some. Of course, Microsoft is trying to do different things with gamers in Windows to kind of, make sure that the gaming community stays happy with using Windows on the PC for gaming. A new mode is going to actually appear. Right now, it's at really its early stages, and it's not turned on. If you turn it on, it doesn't really do much right now, but eventually, if you turn it on, you will have more. And one of the things that's going to, first of all, appear is customized browser, and you'll have Edge for gamers. You'll be able to turn this on and kind of make the Edge browser more efficient while gaming, and will also enable gaming themes, dark mode, online gaming through the browser will be apparently smoother, and it will also in the sidebar that some of you might have activated will add different things like Discord, Steam, and Twitch, things that some of the gamers might actually want to go to. So you'll have access to, particularly to Twitch and Discord, which is very popular among gamers, and be able to have a more efficient experience apparently using the Microsoft Edge browser. So I don't know of any other browser that actually will have any dedicated gaming mode for gamers. But that, I don't know, it might appeal to some. It might appeal if it's done right. The problem with gamers very often is that they are a little more tech savvy than the average user, and a lot of them are already against a lot of Microsoft things, including Edge. So it might not do anything or change anything also, but at least, it's an idea. It's really in its very early stages, so I don't believe this will probably come into Edge at least before the end of the year. But it's definitely going to be something to check for. I'm going to turn it on when it really brings features and interesting things to look at, and we'll of course be able to I'll be able to share all of what is expected to happen, including the fact that Edge should apparently be kind of out of your way and more efficient when that is turned on, while you want to do some gaming and gaming experience. So coming soon. Right now it is available in the Canary, I believe, the Dev or the Canary, I don't remember which one. If you turn it on, it doesn't do nothing right now, but it will eventually do a lot of things, including, like I said, add the Discord and Twitch to your title bar, the bar that appears on the right side of the screen in the Edge browser if you activate it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.